So today we're going to be going over the Sony WH1000XM4. All right, let's get into it. So these headphones in particular I picked up at Best Buy and they were on sale. I believe they were like 50 bucks off. They retail for 350, 349.99. So you could definitely snag these up for a discounted price. One cool tip that I always use when I have something in mind that I want to purchase and I want it at a discounted rate is using Google Alerts. So if you never heard of Google Alerts, it's basically just a website that will alert you based on whatever keyword you program into it. And so you could use it, for example, for the Sony WH1000XM4. You put that keyword along with discounted or sale or promotion and stuff like that, and so you'll get emails as soon as Google gets new results with these keywords in them on the Google search engine. Just to go over some of the features that they have, you got active noise cancellation, which is a big deal for a lot of people. This noise canceling technology actually uses dual noise sensor technology. So they have two sensors, so it's that much more sensitive to outside noises and picking it up and removing it from what you hear. Also, when you put the headphones on themselves, the ear cups definitely go over all your ear. They're a good size, and so that also helps with the active noise cancellation. You're looking at a 30-hour battery life. In a 10-minute charge, you could have up to 5 hours of playback. I am definitely an audio head. I definitely love my music, and these headphones just sound so premium. You are definitely not going to be disappointed. They have touch controls on them, so they have physical tactile buttons that make it easy for you to control different aspects of the headphones, like putting them on pause, or play, skip tracks, volume control. You can activate your voice assistant. You can answer phone calls, and they have other cool features, like when you put your hand over your one of the headphones, it will stop the music temporarily, and then when you remove the hand, it will continue to play the music. So these are all different controls that are really helpful and unique to this headphone. So I feel like Sony did a good job with that. Speak to chat is not something that I really use when I'm on headphones. Usually, if I have to text somebody, I just pull out my phone and text them like that. But if that's something that might interest you, that's a feature that is also included. You have multi-point Bluetooth connection, and so you could pair more than one Bluetooth device at the same time with these headphones, which is really cool. If you're switching between, like, for example, your iPhone and your iPad, you don't have to always start from scratch as far as like the Bluetooth setup for each one when you change out the device. The headphones adapt to the environment that you're in, whether you're walking, waiting, or traveling. It kind of hears what's going on in the background and adjusts the sound accordingly. These headphones, they sound crystal clear as far as call quality. I haven't had not one complaint from the receiving party when I'm talking on the phone. They have a proximity sensor that is able to tell when you're wearing the headphones. And so if you remove them, the music will stop playing. If you put them back on, the music will resume. And that's another cool feature that these headphones have that I really like. Also, we definitely want to mention that these headphones are extremely comfortable. I could see myself wearing them for a long periods of time. The only thing is, and this is with any noise cancellation headphones, it really sounds like or feels like there's pressure on your ears. And that's just because of there's no noise escaping or entering from the outside. And because of that, you might feel that they're a little uncomfortable for long periods of time. But if you're used to that type of stuff, if you normally wear headphones that have noise cancellation, that's not something that is something out of this world or anything like that. There's going to be a degree of ear fatigue. And so if you're used to wearing headphones like that, it shouldn't be a big deal. But as far as the ear cups, they are definitely very comfortable, soft, and plush. I feel like they have a good amount of cushion, and the cushion doesn't deflate over time. They hold up really good over time. And apparently they have Edge AI. They enable stuff like digital sound enhancement engine that upscales compressed digital music files in real time. So they have some sort of AI within the headphones that even make the sound even better. So that's definitely a cool feature that these headphones have. And for the price range, again, we're talking about like 350. And this is just illustration showing how to set up the headphones. So I'll let you guys take a look at that. Let me just show you the different paperwork that is included. You have a limited warranty card, you have a 360 reality audio free trial. You again you have your warranty manual and the actual manual for the headphones included. So back to the headphones, I'm gonna open up the case. The case actually feels very premium. It feels like it will hold up over time. It's like a fabric type of feel to it. And when you open them up, you see that the headphones are folded in there nice and neatly. There are some things included inside of the headphones besides the headphones. Like obviously you have your charging cable, you have an aux cable, and you have a small adapter. And obviously these headphones also work with Android. If you do have an Android phone, definitely these things are compatible. If you want to download the app, you can find the app in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. But also you could just scan the QR code in the easy setup configuration manual. Now, as far as buttons, again, they have physical tactile buttons. The main one you should be concerned with is the power button. That you use it to power on the device as well as turn it off, as well as pairing a Bluetooth device. If you ever forget how the headphones are placed inside of the case, there's a cool little diagram on them that show you exactly how they should be placed, which earphones should be folded up, and how to place them. So as you can see, there is the USB-C connection on the bottom as well as the aux port, and there is a custom button there that you could customize as the name implies. And now those are the two sensors on the outside that help with the noise cancellation. And those are the two holes that you see there. And in there, in the ear cup, you're gonna see that there is a sensor, and that sensor basically tells the headphones whether or not you have the headphones on. You have indicators in red that show you whether or not this is the right or the left headphone. And again, the headphone cups themselves are so soft and plush, and you could see them as I am rubbing on them with my finger. The top portion that sits on your head, it feels just as soft and plush, and definitely has a good amount of cushion, and it feels like good material that will hold up over time. But besides that, the headphones are mostly plastic. They're plastic and that leathery material, but they're a good solid plastic. They don't feel cheap at all. They do feel all around premium, and I don't believe that you will be disappointed about these. And as you can see, the ear cups twist in different ways as well as they fold. So they are really extremely portable. Look how I'm folding them. If you have to fold them that way, you can. And I just find that that's so extremely cool. because some of the headphones at this price point, they don't even do that, which I believe that should be a given. I feel like every headphone should collapse and be foldable for easy storage. So I'm just gonna put these back in. I'm so excited to try them out. I have been on the wait for these headphones for a couple of weeks, and I did not buy them as soon as they came out or anything like that. But when I was shopping around for headphones, these were the best headphones on the market, in my opinion. And so this is a very exciting unboxing for me. So you might want to make a note of how the cable is going in there just to make sure that you are maximizing all the space in there, because obviously, as you can see, there's not too much space, and if you don't know how to put them in exactly, it might be a little bit of an issue, but not a big deal for me. And so yeah, these are the Sony WH1000XM4s. If you want me to do a video reviewing them in their totality, definitely drop a comment and let me know. But this just shows as a quick unboxing video just to show you what to expect if you were wondering, and if you wanted to buy these, this video will help you understand exactly what you're getting. And again, be on the lookout for any discounts, and the best way to do that in my opinion is by using Google Alerts. So if you want me to do a video on how exactly to use it, please drop a comment and I'll be more than happy to share that information with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you haven't already, and until the next time, guys, love you guys.